Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on Maxi Made. I hope you're ready for what we have prepared for you, so sit back and enjoy these epic moments caught on Biker's camera.
You just flew out in reverse onto this public road when I'm trying to exit and strap up my helmet. What?
You were sitting because I heard you. You were sitting back there.
Yeah, I stopped because you flew out in reverse.
No.
Yeah,
No,
I got you on camera, bud.
I stopped and I listened.
This situation got interesting, and it kind of got out of hands the moment that they found themselves in. Let's hear what they have to say to each other.
Alright.
I was sitting there, you went by, and you stopped and you sat there.
Yeah.
And I was waiting, I listened. Why'd you just stop and just sit there?
Am I not allowed to enjoy the park and read the signs?
Am I not allowed to?
No, of course you are, sir.
Okay, so why are you basically just
you think I give about you? You think I'm stalking you?
I don't know.
No, dude.
Right up, dude, you're sitting like 20 feet up the damn tree line where I'm trying.
Yo, listen, this is a public park. Just like you have a right to be here, I have a right to be here.
I understand that, but I'm
saying
it's
so why the f are you getting out your car?
Because I can. It's a public area. I can.
All right. So this looks like a threat.
It's not a threat. I got it out of my car and stayed here. You were back there. You came up to me. That's a threat. Don't play me.
Why do you think I come up to you?
I don't know. That's
because you got out the car.
Okay, and I stayed here just to ask you a question.
Yeah, and I answered you. I said I'm strapping my helmet. No. You got a problem with that?
No, you didn't. But anyway, so all right. So what is this about then?
This is about you getting out your car. You could have went left. You could have went right.
Whatever. See, and if I leave, you're gonna follow me.
No, I'm gonna make a left and then a right.
So just go ahead then.
Okay, sir.
Appreciate it.
Cut it out with the meth, all right?
Appreciate it.
Stop the drugs.
Driver here could have easily lost a mirror, but this biker subdued his anger and let him go with a silent warning.
Oh my God! Santa here?
How was it?
First, this biker had one encounter with Santa, but it was nothing much compared to the next ignorant driver up ahead.
She was like right inside of me. She didn't even fucking see me. I could like smash her mirror if I wanted to.
One biker ran out of gas, and it was up to this biker that caught the situation to help out.
Start the clip then. ¿Ya está? Yo te empujo.
I didn't do it. Yep, here he comes.
Hi again.
My camera's on.
Okay.
Where's your plate at?
It's getting ordered very soon. I just didn't have the money to do it. I actually had to report my registration stolen again as well.
Yeah, you have your driver's license on?
I do. Can I get off the bike?
Yep.
Okay.
Driver's license and proof of insurance.
Yep, I got it. And then I have my proof of insurance in my backpack if that's cool. Okay.
Okay, it's nice. Mind if I?
Yeah, you're good.
For the VIN on your bike there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think that's plenty of time to get license plates for this motorcycle.
You're right.
Okay, so you're being issued a citation for improper display, which means that you don't have a plate at all.
Okay.
Okay, on the bottom side of the citation are 4 options. Pick one of those 4 options, fits you best, take care of it by March 13, 2023. 9 a.m. Josephine County Courthouse.
Okay.
Okay, need to make sure you get plates on there.
I will. I apologize. Thank you.
Okay, questions?
Negative.
Okay.
Thank you. Damn.
What the hell? Hey, what happened?
At this moment here, the driver was indecisive. Even after signaling, he wanted to turn, but it took him too much time to do so, and the biker behind almost made a contact because of it. This bus driver for some reason thought he doesn't abide by the rules of traffic and cut over 3 lanes, making 3 vehicles experience a heavy close call. This crazy driver wanted to make his way through, coming into very close contact with biker, but seeing the police car, he soon panicked. Crazy driver in a pickup truck had no regards for the biker. He started changing lanes and then drove back immediately seeing this biker. Forgetting to look on your mirrors when you're changing lanes can cost someone life. Please be careful. Tried to change lanes, but then he wasn't able to see this biker who could have gotten into his blind spot. In the end, he managed to see the biker and evaded him in the last possible second. That is all what we had for today's episode on Maxi Made. We hope you liked what you saw. If you want to help us grow, consider hitting subscribe button. And also, for receiving notifications for latest content, hit that bell button. As always, we hope you learned something, and until the next time, ride safe and stay safe.